Another team comprised of 5 people: Odong Romeo, Freeman Sunday, Nyigiling, ki Paul Mutanga, yes, ki dong en Batman Solo Chalang or team leader. Mano ki yaran chalo team leader. Kema wai we are not against work and a foil a General Salim Saleh, Mao guiding one ki kun wai government don't take a plan.
Okay.
Plan for the creative art industry.
Mm.
Magati are implementing through the structures madong tie, starting from Ministry of Gender and both jo makoko tie komgi kuberi chana matek lok be ke winyu ti tiu kere mabe ne kere teach yaki no don't lo ngaro mo jo ari mo ne dong. So people were feeling bad ni why would you follow someone to cause harm just because of differences in opinion? When you're given right here and they were saying no, this is wrong. That's why you saw my leader cards what people are protesting because now they're saying this is too much.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome back to Spaga Promotion YouTube channel. You know what we always discuss here. It's all about Northern Uganda music industry, and of course, if it's your first time to come to the channel, make it a point at least to subscribe, support Northern Uganda, support the artists, DJs, influencers, bloggers. I mean, event organizers. It's only one channel that we always, broadcast this, and of course, we are doing it live from northern Uganda, and that is Bulu City. Today, I have a brother, an artist, activist. He has done quite a lot of beautiful things in this northern Uganda music industry. Of course, we had seen days ago a lot of actually saga going around northern Uganda, here, there. So it's actually a good time that I had to bring him live. At least we have a little bit of discussion, what really happened. Ladies and gentlemen, a few days ago, we had, I would say, should I say, Northern Uganda war, but of course, nothing like having gun, knife, just it was a peaceful kind of thing. Laxi,
Yes.
welcome to the channel.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah,
And shout outs to everybody who is watching. Yeah.
Atamni chamu kene omirawa nyam kele bacholi.
Yes.
We have a lot of followers. Ma chao kene no penny pegengele mono, but chao kene kaba dog leb gang. We are down following my bed to twelve.
Logada.
Yeah, in Wangeoni beru leader, of course, Paluwe and also artist bedari. What better nano Jami online ma obiru bed to twelve.
Yes.
Local way, promoters, DJs, producers. Luenyo beru kene ma waneno twale mere dong. Pobero be to twale. No amiro me to twale watch why exactly what happened. Nyungomo time we are jamming any summing up to give my pen my bay yamu.
Well, ma chela for dano ng matinano channel ini Spraga Promotions for mi chawani me beru kera tirni and kime wini Spraga waji kaya nya lax mover tie president me Greater Choli Musician Association dul matiu kilo weki creatives mati ya Choli sub region kakany. Ma chel there has been a lot of jemo beru katime madoy winyu leading to ngomo time nian ma pebo ange cheni ki wo mane an beru tie social media. Allow me also first of all my food permit to quiet kija mor kagana machala choli ni kamanen po winye mabe to po nen mabe on behalf of the creatives matie kumalame Uganda ya kwan karman me kwayo kija irom mala deda ngeo jamo kene time kiki niga we are no jamo kene chamo kene in the heat of the moment a lot of things can happen and I would like to apologize for that strongly kamano po nen mabe po winye mabe utim ye kija. A lot has happened where an teen outburst berutie about the creatives about this movement in Makeloni work. I remember a couple of months ago, Kigora Chim, while Laxi, being called the hub. Debate ping Kurma Chera no, Dan Machelo Gavin Lapoti, I know Batman Solo, I know General Madeke, Mangat Mogo Chimano Beru, Ladit Okelo Sam. Mugwan wachimi waini pikar malach gamento bera mi kon kijo mukene creatives mati regions mukene mapapat mapol kar wanen gin bino ki flocking kan achudi ka kan gamo chiante ki bot meno durme OWC kila tere gima gilwoni General Sale but one machala chudi we had not benefited about Gamenta in any way and from this berupanga paladit sale ka kan men wa e logo kila diti and diti right now one kid mother we have been good hosts to ber ka yele ben de gol ne kuno what can it do for us, what do we want as a region ada kelo wa ne wana luong dan wa ki bet ping ki nyam lo ken nen a way forward ada logo chere yamo i radios may non mi ngej pot lo weni ko bin magwar no ber ko ne the hub kama timba WOC oberutie Mego Sylvia beno berutie kuno en kila diro okelo sam
Yeah, ngoli manok. What is WC?
Operation Wealth Creation.
Okay.
Yes. So maduleno berutie may no the luwe ki jomati creative art industry generally uber in attendance ma wajo tamgi ngoma diyu gi ngoma ti yelo gi and of course way forward kino mer bet ker ki mo ki meeting ero ni ki ye task force maro dano pier de ku ya beach ma otime bere inge task force no beru ping wek no task force ne purposely to neno ni miri pa joma no tie ka kanyi mati creative art industry ki chobo ki ker kar ta ma ki choy mabe ka ki present we nen solutions maromo ngo konyo ngo mitigating these problems and challenges mati are facing the industry tia da this 35 people ki beru ping why no one gini po aromo tim na chalo one ke ken we have brothers in all these regions Karamoja tie Lao sub-region tie West Nile tie we need to call them and make them be part of this this big project and that felt very good for some of us because we are people who love unity and one word because northern Uganda is one family that happened mainly go chimbot lutelami regions baba part go biro and they started sitting in the next meeting and the reason they gave was they had to cut down the number. Then, of course, financial challenges, accommodation, feeding, was not, finance of Petima Bay. So, Perdo Air, Kenyu, Jomoni Tiemaki, where you walk out of the 35 China, down a bit more Mudong. Get no where kill war, Pingo, where again no child. They could have been part of this, process, but no, was now gearing towards the documentation, me solving the problems, the challenges, facing the creative art industry. Actually, men war the selection process of the 30 people, Magudonyo, Katiji meeting the next meeting key senior quarters office for Operation Wealth Creation. And the regions now were in attendance, Karamoja, Lao, West Nile, they came. Their leaders came. It is from this meeting we are down a beach as a technical committee. Me method don't teach piano one of me ideas on your chopping. Why get no go chat go you blame more on go key here. We are to car touch my beru chalo kiloni proposal. Madon kiramo work and me chat on we are taming no kagiramo do maro por yeme konye they can come in and help. That team comprised of 5 people. Odong Romeo, Freeman Sunday, Nyigiling, Ki Paul Mutanga, yes, Kidong and Batman Solo Challenge or team leader. Manoki Yaran team leader. They did that tremendous work. Only a few days after they called us for another review in Oamadongi team, which was beautiful. The ideas were so excellent and they'd done a very wonderful job on the paperwork. Adani and the regions because there was no transport facilitation. So most of them were not in attendance, but one were here. And in this process, okay, now, how do we move forward? Who are we? What do we stand for? Any kind of process by registration, how to register the company, we have a legitimate company, how to open accounts, how to start up the circle and everything. That is now where the financial challenges came in because now remember, you cannot keep running back to someone. We have to pull money among ourselves, associations. We are facilitating some of these processes. Mano down doctor ni dulma megi ugama chene ki kunu ukero iteki chapa ngo pa work process by registration ki tiyo je ma registration work kare tinene and that went on again doc down chero jogu chene misako tinene from these meetings I think I remember vividly waberi yoleng kama noni one machalo chairperson ski the interim committee mano tieni down mano ki yergo ti kartachi lok dogu bien kado ke registering company ngama ber la tela ne who is going to be on the board because if you're registering a limited company, probably by shares or guarantee, you tell them the proprietors need to be there, and that is where you're assuming position me very board in young, a position me very chair from that meeting they ngedong one do the photo air no ngej madong mete. We're not getting information on most of the things that were happening though until recently, office was launched and SACCO was launched, and down when one, you guys got money from some of us in the associations, and you gave it there. What is happening?
We're not informed.
We are not informed what is going on. Surprisingly, better. Kidi face bado and the task force year but vice chair pa Ladit Batman Solo.
Yes.
Was not also informed, surprisingly. One go to Chihuahua team and he doesn't also know. So everything was fishy until and Anabadon King meeting here Invisible Children and Boss People team stepped in, invited people, and people stormed there. And we saw the ruckus that happened and everything that happened. So that is what led to because the people felt they were being left out of something that they have been part of and they would love to be part of. So there were the complaints of clicking and complaints of sidelining people. But okay, all these issues could be the and personally, why work is a beautiful idea. If it succeeds, the people of northern Uganda will benefit greatly from it. But there are areas that needs to be adjusted and sorted. Ingeoba, war pebero dorga nen in chelo spraga, tin down to Korikumi. Diridok ina chile down to Korikumi. Dirimaidok down to Korikumi. It is not for nothing. That means there are areas that needs to be improved. And that is, I think, the information. Probably it was passed the wrong way because of anger, but that is the information, Mango. The creatives, other creatives, and why no, change these things. We want to be part of this. We want to embrace this. This is for us. Let us be part of the decision-making process. Because presenting of chair, because they would bring back the paper and they give it. They share the idea. Both the creatives, ask something for them, which was now not happening. So that is basically what led to this ruckus.
So Rizal me sakas mauti me former Invisible Children. Inge do berungo peno yang ni team pa Laxi new team pa Bossmate. Kitong team pa Badman Solo.
Yes.
Gen ku chair go meeting General Salim Saleh.
Yes. Meeting Boberi Invisible Children the following day. He invited one to chat kwana I kakarwara kila dit General Salim Saleh. Ma doubt me. Ano diko la dit honorable Joyce Bossmate team go na chim. Why lax bin ko inoa. Notia you pay plan B. Arinyo bore why jal information tieni one word what they wanna di. Imir dana dek kana uchere. And in kido year ni Gavin Laporte worry.
Yes.
Kalare. Ada information na bino agoy be chimi Gavin wa ko ring bor wa ko nyang ko piano pa mera communicate chim. So da wano chero. Karwara kila dit Salim Saleh. Wado numbers pa chane duong down to over I think about 9. Number 1 to 1 there again. We spoke. We expressed ourselves. We told the Ladit differences, but issues, but I remember vividly saying ni government don't take structures in place for the art industry. They don't hear so this idea one pay against it's a beautiful idea but now instead of starting something let's use because I remember Magama Bino. I reached out to these leaders of associations instead of no members manian. I watch again in Bukelo teleka poha poha. Let us work together using the structures madong unukerogi. Yan kas pagatila telepa group money. Ngayon eno telungo bloggers ki joma tiyu kenyu. Yes, so konya dak pa ngara chela kele kan poko kini dak pe let us work together, which was already happening. Remember Carbon pebo angej wanyuro ni one machalo we mati actually wa gor do ka chele te gama. Maga dul er chala dul pa solo erno magilwoni nupa adul kiri face call dul pa Romeo ki pego joining
Okay,
pe go
okay.
men po joining
Man,
but
yes.
dul pa jero madde ke go joining uma bene ubiro joining mala tele tele yama and we were working together
Yes.
until gineno biro.
Mm.
So I told General Waini these structures need to be used to implement these ideas. One pay against the idea of work. It's beautiful. Bukonyo gang kai kelo skilling hub kakany. It's going to help the
True,
creatives. Kai
true.
kero studio instead of that studio. Ngor pedong romo rinyo ka gago wa Kampala ka masari way but bino timo ke paji kakany which of course develops the region. Tinewe. Chene yana ben kerakin gang. Ko ngor ma chero wil ke god wil ke ngom not yet developing pajo macharo kakachuli. So the main focus was let us solve the issues material, which was leadership.
Yes, yes.
Without a complaining period, because Praga, DL pero young, and there's no way there's no way ma kuri romo dako taki in anyway. So kaya then down pati ye kum gino money and they keep complaining. That means that challenges man needs to be improved.
Exactly.
If this is for the people, what they're saying is bring it back to the people. Let people have a say in what happens there,
Exactly.
which is not the case and it's not happening. And we are not against work and a foil did General Salim Saleh, Mao guiding one people why the government don't take a plan. Plan for the creative art industry. Magati are implementing through the structures starting from Ministry of Gender and UNCF, NCF, kidong biro any federation associations madong tipinka any. Mako berichani kemi 5 billion but the creative art industry. Mama one of you
5 billion.
5 billion makimeo last year. 5 billion ki kere miss setting up base. Structures all over Uganda, Eastern, Megi, Western, Kumero, Northern Uganda, Benekarmo, Jatiki office, Mamego Yabo, they were given 15 million shillings.
And a gamma,
and Gamma, one don't know Gamma through that very same process. So Gamma is a structure, Matia affiliated to the federation, Matia of course in the government structure. The 15 million purposely was to set base, Mayapo office.
And I know myself any structure don't team like a care.
Anyway, the government don't get tamper the creative industry. But don't get implementing through the structures. It's just a matter of aligning. And give me a chair why you bought a while the structures. Join one po where the time bear, but kill the structure. Can't give me a lot of work probably new come down to ye work no pego yen ki jemu manana. Those are things make tea chelo dana. Work po pokin wa one gak no dana chain. The unity continues, the ideas are implemented together. Koberichan we were very far from where we are back. Koberichan we are bickering, fighting each other, which is not helping us. Kakana machala choli we are watching Luan Peter wakamo fighting one on one. We have just come back from a very long war. We have all been affected physically, psychologically and economically in different aspects of our livelihood.
True.
So, An Machalo An Latela, I don't believe in fights. If there are avenues where we can, use to name peace and unity prevails, I am very open to explore those options and make them work because the industry is bigger than all of us. The industry is bigger than me. The industry is bigger than any other person. One of you know industry don't take a kind. What we talk what any industry kind, but what legacy are we leaving for the industry? Down reporting or Laxo team industry may actually Karma down in what did Laxo do to make sure the unity and so what are we going to be remembered for? Are we going to be remembered for the people that fought the blessings? We are going to be remembered for the people that put aside their egos and sat down and said, my brother, I am wrong. Forgive me, I've done this wrongly. Let us make this work. And I think that is the avenue we should tap into right now instead of this fighting. Because one what they know what they fighting for the truth, and yes, we are fighting for the truth because everything my wife I can stand on it 100%, 120%. That is my truth in young way because I was there in all these things. Koberichan kamagin teacher ye noni down to lubugi the war. Teacher down we look normally. A few days ago, one of the people, Pabeluonye camera, Kilubu. Kilubu Kamano Atenya ye Kilubu Kare, Mana they followed and they wanted to beat him up. Down your corner. Which is not good. and again another person was followed not too long ago. So this paints a picture ni the fight we are fighting is true, and probably there is a lot of expectation his side of things that are coming, but they don't want to lose it, which is I think if something is being done in truth, Miro Pepe will go to these extremes because Anka party ye tell me it's just a matter of saying ni bin ginite command. This is what should be done, not going and killing somebody, not following somebody to cause harm, which is very wrong. Amira a long industry watching in, let us put this extreme. I want to call the industry to order. I want you guys to respect yourselves and be big people. This is not the first time we have seen money. It is not going to be the last time we shall see money. Chene madonga furubo bino. Pay negomero. Pikoro million a deck, million a big. Mabene cham ko ni pelako kuoni. Chene mati tiana pe konyo ba. But let's fight to get the big money that can push us as an industry together. But konyo ngo kado chene bo bino madomer in a wano ko. Konyo ngo ka chene bo bino madomer ko no ini neko ko. Tieni yangwe. Let us come again to Chiarepe Bear. So I'm just calling you guys. Let us still have that peace and love. All this while, let us maintain that because that is what is going to do one cello industry. And more benatieni. Down no kitia wilu kiki chiante. We ye tamon in anyway. Ka giro mon tie gin matia da. In pay wilu dana wila ni wek gen guye dummy. Ini bini kero gar my painted white jal. Ini pay kan yang but gini take command. This is what is on ground.
Give the person details.
Give the person details. We are not mok time make kene. But if you are going to the extreme, pange ka lokada but ngur matie. Assumptions ngur rumors matie going on ground. Niketia wilu dana pichente. So if you're resorting to buying people, that means there is something fishy going on. One, I'm going to repeat this again. The idea of work is very brilliant. If it's for the creative art industry of Acholi, win ko pa jomati ko ni, o ye be ping, o lock ngo maloke, work idea any, kinwalo bet, gir makonyo kaka, makonyo panyo chala Choli. Luanye ne pobutero kamo, let us think outside the box. So, personally, Spraga sadly, tele pa berichel anwane kirwatia tele. We want to affect the whole industry as a whole, because of your personal egos. Fights matieni. This industry is bigger than us. Pay kel tele ni you tele or two tele lokumo kene machon your past history into girma mero donka mero o te wana nyim. Let us put those aside. Put our egos aside. I know we are very egocentric people as Northerners. Let us put that aside and allow to listen to each other and accept. And we cannot accept that there is a problem. That means we are not ready to heal and solve that issue. That is the only way forward right now. So yeah, basically America Amaron
now Atamanika do women now. I better watching a few days ago when protest. Though they come kind of protest about tell them more just lock we no maybe near beti when the superstars pelunga when can Easy, Judas, Benobisky, I mean so many artists.
Sure.
Ziggy Myers kona ngangari when kubero kimanila card. Ma wajene koni wa dek kono wana wa dek kono. Yes. So Eoni was packing out and after Eoni, I mean after maybe Chero, former Invisible Children.
Oh, Guerrero was packing.
No, don't want to mono
Guerrero was packing. Inge mawano do kibot sale. Adaba wano Chero kuja. The meeting, kid man nero mamega. Charla tera marriages. The meeting was almost reaching a point of resolution.
Nyang.
No dong nyang chok, but we did not reach the resolutions. But
Nyang only no one men not a donkey. Team
because now yes, maybe by any these are the differences, issues and let us solve them. Other issues but one why and then get loyal and
leadership.
My wife be laho. I win you benefit ye and be laho. But now the when, how, and how I mean the when and how
Pedo can
pe
announce it.
don ki kero kama ling ti ne na we so ma wano dugu information ma ke mi ki dano nen chala po yen dano ti niang because ma wano dugu la dit horrible boss people lo ki dano ano mi ki information mo mo ti men what transpired there
Yes.
ada nen chala jomo kene pe yen kere niang and that I think led to
The protest.
the protest mo beru because ye no chal no ni mir ki mo chan food pati ka chope kit na gen gi mir pe they were still not being heard and they felt like they should be heard so that is why you saw people coming up and saying no this is not right and also the protest came because of nguru gen ma wachini kibeka lubo jomoni
Yes, yes,
no
yes,
don't
yes.
lubo ngaro mo jari money dong so people were feeling bad ni why would you follow someone to cause harm uh, just because of differences in opinion. When you're right here and they were saying, no, this is wrong. That's why you saw my leader cards, what people are protesting. Because now they're saying this is too much. Poor because of something like this. So that is why the protest was there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, in one of the Manila cut, more kichoeni, we don't want Sylvia or worry in northern Uganda music industry. Pangyo,
well,
take a meaning, no.
Well, there is a narrative party on ground. Ni Mego Sylvia worry. And yet ye ngat matika chui kom dul makilwoni walk. Mi telo mako chengi telo gi moving with them.
Mero rumors,
mero ngur mati underground. And I think maybe that's why these people are saying she should leave northern Uganda alone because they feel like our presence is what is causing this division. We are doing what we are paying the pain ni these guys were one. You know, they came as a team. Chan ngara chele can't affronting move in pingo what changed where are some of the people who came with them
exactly.
in meeting the hub where is that team what is not happening what has gone wrong these are questions but I don't pay you wigi this program and pegi no la game pe yot so you know cha ber in luwe mo ken ukati awinyo ber nguo da these associations are for beggars. These artists are people who are branded. They have been working money, for all these years. They have branded themselves, at least get you even all these years without this money, my money will be on it. They have been surviving. They have been there and making us proud. Actually, but personally, they called me and told me we feel hurt. Ni nen ka giro mama mi robir ka konyo paju, tiyan ma paju. We feel it's not right. If it's for us, this is the time we should speak up as a group of people, as leaders of this generation, and say, Niba, let you correct this. It is wrong. We don't feel included. Yet, of course, we have, as part of associations, but here we have contributed our money, which led to the registration and organizing of this process. We feel we are part of this. Include us. Let us know why are some of our leaders not now in the process. Who is going to represent our views in those meetings? Who is going to be there for us? That is why they came out and said, no, this is wrong. We are not feeling like we are part of this. Not near easy on Tiro Carwa, I think these are things to do. Lokman Betia, Luwen Peggy Beer meeting, meeting, Peggy Biro. These guys are sometimes called away for tours.
Sure.
No come if meetings are supposed to be organized, they should be given humble time. We again go be and go better. Again peggy niggy deck bed you can down. No. They want to be part of these processes. Back in young John, we are planning ni near Maguman meeting tika Maguman, where bed from China to China any work no again give bed bene a damn gay katam tea again bene me work no then can we work a chill chalo and industry. So I think they're also right because we are technically we move together. Kangai team er kimi rom dana weng. We dana weng be part of tama ki binwako. We ngarum po doangai. We dia makira ne po bede ki team me. Because if everyone is at par, some of these things will not happen.
True.
Yes.
True. Luxy Mover, thank you so much at least for enlightening. I mean the whole situation.
Yeah.
The protests, walk, gamma here and there. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
So it is that time where you actually give your last message, whether to the fans to the music followers, people out there, you know.
Machel, yeda ka kwa kija. What ka machela chuli on behalf of the creative art industry. Ni kamo time marach. Papo ner mabe. Wono team ye kija. One machel the creatives wa mar kawa and will not do things intentionally to harm the image of Paja Machalo Kumalame Uganda. Secondly, to Danamati creative art industry. Pay ye beru pere in the process of Nyakolok Maguru Kumi directly. Always endeavor to be part of decision making processes that affects you as a person. Because ka in pay beru tie chalo la way, in pay beru tie chalo ngatma yubu shows, in pay beru tie chalo ngatma guak timo fashion koi bong ki ngong gini in pay beru chalo ngatma yubu film I ka choke mano jema kwa kumi ki nyako ye ti jema kireni ti ko time ano ti ko dangage. Let us be part of decision making processes. Poten you will tell we can to tell ben pe ngeo jema weng tamu pe yata like no ki dong kaka an industry ma choli kin ki umala me Uganda kara chel kibere ya for matekare da merul honorable boss with Joyce team bibiro chunkedwa in this period that did horrible for matekare da for sacrificing your time for the industry in machalo wego meron your in free ticket wa in free town piwa dano weng mapapat magiti alwang in the different domains where can kumalme Uganda industry ne uchara nyimda odon before ber matekare da la chwej mi polo o metugum malog ne terong mi ne amire bere achwa lock bot to make mate industry magiti kar moja ilao I West Nile ni wana chel ka boundaries bagi kero mapoko wa tie that doesn't mean we are not one people one Kumalme Uganda we are one people. Let us preach unity and love polkare we are koro we madak pajomani goy kanye twal we dak kuja dak jomani pe goy we pajomani. It is not the case. Let us embrace each other. Let us preach love and unity because that is the only way we are going to develop Kumalame Uganda. But jo magkoko kumgi kuberichana matek lok be ke winyu ti tiu kere mabe ne kere teach yak yup kama no yup ye kaka bambiara yuba. Let us put our egos aside and make this industry better. It is only by sitting on a round table and reasoning out with someone that we can make these things happen. Ke kenu bere ke di cham keni maumero ke tia ne it is pointless.
True.
It's very pointless. Ka girmo tie mabino pe one wing with the creative art industry. Me Kumalme Uganda. We Kumalme Uganda have a say in it and dan wo nong magoba ne pe obin pi jomo ne manok ken kuno kiti tichinying luak weng matie Kumalme Uganda in the creative space. Mag gikine pe ne romero pilim. Pe wano mero pe jami logo. Pe kera wane kum la mero pe je maybe tanyo ke kan. Be beru loy lim be beru loy chante. Let us not let these differences in opinion make you go after a brother, after a sister, and probably cause harm or even kill somebody. Lim wano no kan wano tanyo kan industry wano no kan wano weko kan kay jiyo ye kumitu twal may mako rima dire maja the history will judge you very badly. Otherwise, let us keep pushing. Luweweng and all the creatives to make sure the industry Kumalme Uganda goes to another level. Thank you so much for the work you guys are doing. It is amazing. I want to appreciate you guys and say that you are on the right track. Let us keep pushing because this is our time in Karawa. Let us not shy away from the truth. Pe wek ngar mo buri wek yin pe lok adani kapeti lok adati ken yang ni kara chel gino kara ti kumana ye pe kira yin yang. But always speak up your mind because it is your right. Never be silenced, never be intimidated. It is our time to make this industry great again. Thank you very much.